welcome back to the channel where we talk money. And the reason we talk money is because I believe if you have the trifecta, you cannot lose. And what's the trifecta? Well, I'm glad you asked. The trifecta is self-confidence, access to capital, and a plan of action behind it that's well executed. If you do those three things, there's no way that you will not level up financially. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. All right, so with that being said, the type of money that we talk stuff like credit cards, credit unions, crypto, stock market, side hustles, grants, and travel hacks. In this particular video, we're going to talk about credit cards, particularly a credit card that does not require you to have any credit. And the reason that I want to make this video is because I know that there are people that have situations, in some cases, that they just could not help. They're trying to rebuild. You never know what got a person to where they are when they're on hard times. But this card is saying that you don't even have to have an actual credit score, okay? So let's just jump right into it. All right, this is the Petal or Petal card. This is the Petal card, and the Petal card has actually two versions of it. And their slogan is they're bringing financial opportunity and innovation to everyone. And this card's claim to fame is that they do not need an actual credit score for you to even qualify for the card. You can get the card without a credit score. Okay, so let's take a look at these cards and see what they offer. Of course, don't be expecting the best offers because we're talking about a card that doesn't even require you to have credit. But here we go. So you got the Petal 1 and the Petal 2. Petal 1 looks like it gives you 2 to 10% cash back at select merchants. That could have some value depending on what merchants they are, if it's something that you use. The limits start as low as $300. They do not exceed $5,000. And I mean, I kind of would expect that for a card that's saying that you don't have to have actual credit. Interest rates are high, guys. They start as low as 22%. They can go to almost 32%. So that's high, but you want to use it strategically where you're not carrying a balance. Also, there's no annual fees, so that's actually a good thing. And there is a path to a credit limit increase. The reading up I did on it, everything I'm hearing or reading says that you can get an increase in the first 6 to 9 months, depending on how responsible your usage is. Now, they also have a version 2, which is the Petal 2, and it says it's responsible credit without fees. So this one gives you 1 to 1.5% cash back, and then some more offers for probably particular merchants where you can get a higher amount of cash back. The limits can potentially be a little bit higher, 300 up to as much as 10,000, and then the interest is still high on the high end. At 29% is where it tops out. On the low end, 15%, which seems kind of low for a card like this. So I wouldn't expect to get a actual interest rate that low. No fees of any kind. So we're talking no annual fees, no monthly fees, and they also have the same path to a credit increase. So it's nothing groundbreaking, but if you don't have credit, it's really not that bad. So how are they going to give you a credit card if you don't have credit? Well, this is the system that they use, and don't be surprised if maybe you see a couple cards do some copycatting and start doing something like this. Okay, so they use a system that helps you get a cash score by getting banking information about you that could help you get approved. They analyze your banking history and transform it into a cash score, which is an alternative measure of your credit worthiness, based on your income, savings, spending history. In other words, they build you a alternate credit score using your bank information, okay? So if you don't have an actual credit score, you can get the credit information, you can get your credit score through your banking information. Now, they will allow you to do a soft pull pre-qualify with no impact to your credit score, which is always good. At least you're not wasting an inquiry if you're not going to be considered, right? So once you do the actual soft pull application, it's going to ask you for the information like your address, name, date of birth. It's going to ask you your social security number. It's going to do a full, inquiry without doing a hard pull. But beware, because at the end you are going to see this disclosure that should be popping up on your screen right now, and it's basically letting you know that by doing this actual soft pull pre-qualified application, you are agreeing to be evaluated for multiple pedal card products, and you are giving them the opportunity to solicit you to get additional products. So you're basically giving an okay to them to do some solicitation of you with some of their other products. Now, it's issued by WebBank, and they're saying they do report to Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, also Credit Karma, and it looks like Visa is the partner with this card. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell, the pedal card, pedal 1 and 2. If you don't have a credit score, or you have a really, really weak credit score, it could be a route for you to go. I have not personally used this product, so I cannot endorse it, but I'm asking anybody that watches this video, please comment, let me know if you know someone that's used the card, or have you used the card, and what your experience was with it, or if you have any other options for people that have, virtually no credit to just get started building, because hey, you can't get up to the top of the mountain if you don't start your hike. So this could be the start of someone's hike. Okay, so hey, that's all I got for this one. If you found value in this content, do me a favor, support the channel, hit the like, subscribe, share, pop the notification bell so you know when something new is dropping. I'll be back soon with more videos talking money so we can all level up financially. But until then, guys, I'm gone.